In this video, I'm going to show you how to renew your hosting plan. Let's get into it. Log in to your Hostinger H-Panel account. Once you're in, go to Billing in the left sidebar, then click on Subscriptions. You'll see a list of all your active services. Find the hosting plan you want to renew and click the Renew Now button next to it. A pop-up window will appear showing the renewal price and available billing periods. Choose how long you want to renew for. 1 year, 2 years, or more. Longer periods usually give you better pricing. Once you've selected your renewal period, click Choose Payment Method. Pick your preferred payment option. Hostinger accepts credit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, and cryptocurrency. Fill in your payment details and click Pay Now to complete the renewal. That's it! Your hosting plan is renewed and will stay active for the period you selected. If you want to avoid manual renewals in the future, you can enable auto renewal. Go back to Billing, then Subscriptions, click the arrow next to your hosting plan, and toggle on Auto Renewal. Make sure you have a valid payment method saved so the renewal goes through automatically before your plan expires. And that's it. That's how to renew your Hostinger hosting plan. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this.